If you've already noticed that everything has become luxury from bread to pajamas and feel like you're falling behind, this video will show you how to turn the game around with intelligence and silent elegance. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and leave that like if you want to learn the codes of true sophistication. I'm Carol, and today we're going to talk about something that's happening right under our noses. When I saw the price of a simple croissant being sold as a luxury item, I understood. It's not about the product, it's about the narrative. See how even that Chanel bag you wanted so much now seems common next to the exclusive artisanal bags that everyone is showing off? According to the 2024 luxury report, we're living through the end of the quiet luxury era that dominated recent years. But here's what they don't tell you. There's a strategy behind this transformation that can put you ahead of all the others. The real game behind appearances. While most people are still chasing the bag of the moment, truly elegant women are already making choices that no one sees but everyone feels. It's like Serena van der Woodsen. She didn't need to try hard to look rich, because her luxury was carefree, almost careless, and that was her signature. You know when you go to a restaurant and now even the hamburger has become premium artisanal gourmet? This isn't a coincidence. The luxury market is experiencing significant deceleration, with predicted growth of only 1 to 3% annually until 2027, so brands are desperate to create new status symbols. And this, dear friend, is our great opportunity. How many times have you bought something just because someone said it was trending and regretted it on the second use? Let me tell you how this story began, because understanding this will change your way of thinking about elegance forever. For years, quiet luxury dominated with its whispered sophistication, those Rowe and Loro Piana pieces that cost a fortune but looked basic. But you know what happened? There was a saturation of micro-trends and fragmentation that led to customer fatigue. Everyone started looking the same. Beige blazer, minimalist bag, neutral shoes. Boring, right? The woman who arrives with a logoless piece, clean hair, and a low voice today communicates more status than the one wearing all Fendi. Why? Because she understands that quiet luxury isn't about being simple, it's about being discreetly extravagant. That's when brands discovered something brilliant. If everyone is wearing quiet luxury, how are they going to stand out? Now we have ultra-specific AI personalization and exclusive experiences that make consumers feel special. It's literally a competition of who can be more unique than others. Do you really believe that the most elegant women are buying more than you? Or do they know how to choose better? Generation Z and millennials will represent approximately 50% of all luxury sales by 2025. These girls no longer want to look like their mothers. They want to look rich, but in a way that other people their age recognize. That's why Dior, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton are the most popular luxury brands among Generation Z in the US, but they're not using these brands like their mothers did. They understood that loud luxury is taking over, with pieces that make bold statements through fashion, but it's not just wearing any animal print. It's about understanding the visual codes of true wealth and using this strategically. As it says in Proverbs 31, "She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." And this, today, is pure luxury. But between us two, when was the last time you felt truly elegant? Those times when even your posture changes without you noticing? Today, true luxury doesn't make noise. It's in the way you cross the street, in your pause before responding, in the perfume that only those who come close notice. In the 90-second, luxury was ostentation. In 2025, it's knowing what to keep quiet. It's wearing less and communicating more. I need to tell you about something that completely changed the way I dress. And can change yours too. I just opened registrations for my course Look Rich Without Spending Much, and it's at a promotional launch price because I'm releasing the classes gradually. As soon as the course is complete, the price will go up to full price, without discount. This course is for those who are tired of looking like just another one and want to be the woman that others look at and think, she comes from another place. It's not about pretending to be rich. It's about understanding the visual, behavioral, and social codes that truly rich women use, and how to apply this in your daily life. You know that woman you look at and think, wow, she has class? There are specific rules behind this. Rules about how she chooses her pieces, how she combines textures, how she carries herself, even how she speaks. And this can completely transform how you are perceived and treated in the world. The link is in the description, but remember, it's promotional price only until the course is complete. Now, back to this, everything became luxury revolution. Luxury brands are investing in technology, AI, and data capabilities to discover powerful customer insights. Translation: they are obsessively studying what makes you want to buy. And you know what secret they discovered? The main factors that lead people to buy luxury products are high-quality materials, 64%, brand name 52%, longevity 50%, authenticity 48%, and exclusivity 39%. In other words, it's not just about being expensive, it's about seeming worth every penny. But there's something they don't tell you. Luxury consumers are becoming increasingly discerning with their purchases. This means you no longer need to buy everything branded to look elegant. You just need to know which pieces to invest in and how to combine them. I'll give you a real example. Victoria Beckham used to be known for her $40,000 Birkin bags. Today, she uses completely logoless bags that cost $300, but everyone assumes they're very expensive because they're on her body. Why? Because she understands the codes. The inconvenient truth is that 2025 will be a year of reckoning for many brands, and this means they'll get even more creative to make you feel like you need to buy new things. But if you understand these strategies, you turn the game in your favor. The science behind elegance. Consumers are prioritizing quality and meaningful engagement over quantity. This means 3 well-chosen pieces will make you look more elegant than a wardrobe full of mediocre things. And there's more. We're entering an era of micro moments of joy, where people seek something conscious and responsible. Translation: you can be the woman who makes smart choices and still stands out. You know why this works? Because more than 80% of luxury companies are using Instagram and Facebook, with Instagram being twice as effective. In other words, your image is constantly being judged, and you need to know how to use this in your favor. The elite secret codes. The strategy no one teaches you is this: while everyone is chasing the next trend, you'll master the timeless fundamentals that make someone look naturally elegant. Quiet luxury continues to be a dominant force in 2025, proving its longevity, but now has a new layer: intelligent personalization. This means you won't follow blind rules anymore. You'll understand why certain combinations work, why certain colors favor you, why certain cuts make you look taller, thinner, more sophisticated. It's science applied to elegance. There's a collective desire for the special, to eject ourselves from the suffocating sameness of our targeted feeds. This means being different, in the right way, will make you stand out even more. For example, while everyone is wearing the same oversized beige blazer, you'll know that wearing a version with a slightly different proportion, or in a color that enhances your skin tone, or with a specific texture, will make all the difference. Small details that create a big impact. The reality is that luxury brands need to conduct a holistic strategic reset and play the long game, and you can do the same with your personal style. Instead of chasing every trend, you'll build a solid foundation that always works. Think like this: that woman you admire who always looks impeccable, she's not following trends. She knows what works for her and repeats with intelligent variations. This is true luxury, not having to think too much because you already know what works. And best of all, this gives you time and mental energy to focus on other important things in your life, while you automatically look more elegant than others who are lost trying to decipher the next fashion. Like in the series Scandal, when Olivia Pope enters a room, she doesn't need to shout her competence. Her presence, her posture, her choices speak for her. And this is what happens when you master the codes of true elegance. If you want to be part of the select group of women who are writing the new elegance intelligently, refined, and consciously, consider becoming part of our club through the Become a Member button. Because in the end, true luxury isn't having everything. It's knowing exactly what you need, and especially, it's having the silent confidence of someone who knows they made the right choices.